Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Trello for personal productivity. Here's a 14-step guide to using Trello for personal productivity on PC. Sign up or log in. Go to Trello's website and log in or create a free account. Create a new board. Click on Create, then choose Create Board from the home page. Name your board and customize its background for easy identification. Then hit Create. Add lists. Create new lists to organize your tasks by clicking Add another list. Common examples include to do, doing, and done. Add cards. Under each list, create cards to represent individual tasks or projects. Click Add a card, type the task name, and press Add card if you want to add new. Add details to cards. Open a card by clicking on it, and add descriptions, due dates, checklists, attachments, and comments to keep track of important details. Use labels for organization. Now click Labels, then assign labels to your cards for quick categorization. For example, work, personal, or urgent. Customize the label colors and names as needed, and click one of the labels and the labels list. Set due dates and reminders. Click Dates, then assign due dates to tasks to stay on schedule, and hit Save once you make one. Trello will send reminders as deadlines approach. Use checklists. Click Checklist, then add checklists to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, then hit Add. Drag and drop cards. Move cards between lists, for example, from to do to doing, to track your progress visually. Enable power-ups. Activate power-ups like calendars, time trackers, or integrations like Google Drive, Slack, etc. for enhanced productivity. Archive completed cards. Once a task is done, archive it to keep your board clutter-free but maintain a record of completed tasks by clicking Edit Card. Then hit Achieve. Share your board. If collaborating, invite others by clicking Share at the top of the board, then type the email in this box, then assign tasks to team members to divide responsibilities, and hit Share. Use the calendar view. Now go to Power Up, then search for Calendar Power Up in the search box. Click Add to use the Calendar Power Up to view tasks with deadlines in a calendar format. This helps with better planning and time management. Review and optimize. Periodically review your board to reprioritize tasks, add new ones, or improve organization. Keep only relevant tasks visible to maintain focus. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.